A test began at 2:15 p.m. and ended at 3 o'clock p.m. Through what degrees does the minute hand turn? When we take the solution for this, for the purpose of clarity, let me illustrate or draw the clock so that we have a look at something. So this is the clock we have here. Therefore, 2:15, the minute hand will definitely be on the thread. Now, for the time to be 3 o'clock, the minute hand has to move through all this angle so that it ends at 12 over here. So if we should have the minute hand moving all through this to end here at 12, we can clearly tell that if we divide this into 4, this is going to be 90, 90, and 90. So the minute hand will definitely turn through an angle of what? 270 degrees to now be 3 o'clock. But how do we find out without drawing our clock? First of all, we need to find the difference in the time. They said the test ended at 3 o'clock p.m. So I should be having 3 o'clock p.m. take away 2:15 p.m. I can't subtract 15 from 0, so I borrow 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. So I have my 60 there. Therefore, 60 minus 15 becomes 45. 2 take away 2 is 0. That tells you that the minute hand moved 45 minutes. That is from 2:15 to 3 o'clock is 45 minutes. Now there is something you need to know and keep in mind. Every 1 minute movement of the minute hand is 6 degrees. Every 1 minute movement of the minute hand is 6 degrees. So if 1 minute movement is giving us 6 degrees, then the minute hand moved for 45 minutes, then 45 minutes will give us what degree, such that minutes will cancel minutes. Then when I cross multiply, I will be having x times 1, which is x, to be equal to 45 by 6 degrees. And 45 by 6 will result in 270 degrees, as the drawing indicated. So this is how to solve such a problem. Anytime you are given the time, look for the time difference. After getting your time difference, don't forget that every 1 minute movement of the minute hand is 6 degrees. So you can use your equivalence ratio to find your solution by equating the two sides. So let's try to work this out. Find the angle through which the minute hand turns from 10:45 to 11:15. Now let's take our solution. Let's look for the difference in the time, as I said earlier. So we have 11:15, which is the final time, minus 10:45. I can take 45 from 15, so I have to borrow 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. Therefore, over here I'll be having 75 minutes. And when I take 45 from 75 minutes, I should be left with what? 30 minutes. So now I'm left with 30 minutes. Therefore, if 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees, then the 30 minutes, that is 30 minutes, will give us what degree, such that minute will cancel minute. Then x times 1 is x is equal to 30 by 6 degrees. So x will give us 180 degrees. So this is how to solve problem, that is time and angles. And you can see that 30 minutes is half of the clock, which is half of it. And it is true also that 180 is half of a complete circle, that's a semicircle. So that tells you that the answer here is right.